It's kids time! Hi everyone! Today we will draw donut and gingerbread cookies. As usually, we draw the eyes for gingerbread man. Round head, hair and some sprinkles. Draw butterfly tie. Draw hands and the legs. Give 3 hearts button. Next, draw eyes for Rudolph donut. Draw the nose. Circle for donut. 2 ears and 2 deer horns. Draw cute hands. The last, draw the melted sugar and some sprinkles. The draw is done. It's time to coloring. Black color for the eyes. Light blue color for the eyes shadow. Pink color for sprinkles, cheeks and Rudolph ears. Brown color for gingerbread man. And yes, for Rudolph's head. Red color for tie, heart button and Rudolph donut nose. Light green for some chocolate sprinkles and heart button. Blue color for some chocolate sprinkles. Yellow color for some chocolate sprinkles and heart button. Dark brown color for Rudolph donut horns. Light brown color for the donut. Light pink color for the melted sugar. Great job! If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you in next video.